To my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make fenugreek hair mask. As we all know, fenugreek is a spice and we can also use it for our hair and skin. Using fenugreek, it will help us to add some nutrients to our hair. It is a storehouse of minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, vitamin A, K, and C, and it is also high in protein. Stay tuned and find out how I make this fenugreek hair mask. To make this fenugreek hair mask, I'll be using fenugreek seed. I'm going to soak it overnight. So I'll add the fenugreek into the plate, add some water, cover it and allow it to soak. After about 12 hours or more of soaking the fenugreek seed, you can notice that it has increased in size. We're adding 3 spoons of fenugreek seed into the blender. You can use more depending on the quantity of the hair mask that you want to do. I'll be using plain yogurt, so I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. In yogurt, you can use coconut milk for this, because it will help to get rid of dandruff, because it contains antifungal properties, and it will also help to keep your hair moisturized for a long time. And blend into a smooth paste. When I'm done blending, I'll be straining it to remove any little bits of the fenugreek. Add some water to rinse out the fenugreek mixture in the blender. The fenugreek paste has a sticky and slimy texture. In the fenugreek mask, I will set aside a tablespoon of castor seed oil into the fenugreek hair mask. You can use any oil of your choice like coconut oil, olive oil. Then I will stir to mix properly. To apply this hair mask, start from the root of your hair until you touch all the parts of your hair. As we help to fight any irritation on your scalp or dandruff, and also help to strengthen your hair from the root. When you are done applying the hair mask, you can leave it on your hair for about 30 or 40 minutes, then you can rinse off. Hair mask because it will help to treat any itchy scalp, dandruff, and prevent hair loss, and also encourage hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.